How to delete Squarespace account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to delete your Squarespace account. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will simply open up squarespace.com and you can get to your dashboard. So you can see I have different websites here, but I want to delete my Squarespace account. So it's really easy to do, but a lot of people don't know how to do that. So you will open up your dashboard and then you have to click on help. It will take you to the help center on Squarespace and you will get all of the different topics here. You have to click on account. Now we have different options here and you can see managing your accounts. I'm going to click on see all 14 guides. So here we have different options and you can see we have deleting your site and its content and then delete your account. So there is a difference between deleting your one site and deleting your account. So we want to delete our account. I'm going to select this option. So now we have this complete guide how to delete your account, and make sure to transfer your domain if you have, cancel your subscription. If you're running some ads, then make sure to close them if you have scheduling softwares. So be sure that you really want to delete your account, and you can remove card information then if you want to transfer your ownership. So once everything is done, what you can do is you can just go to the delete account option. You can also go to the account and security settings. This is where you will be getting the option. So I'm going to select and open it up. So here in account settings, we have account and security. Scroll down and you have delete account option. Click on delete account and then you have to just confirm your password on Squarespace and you will be able to delete your account. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.